Hi guys, my name is Chavi Mittal, and for those of you who are watching my video for the first time, I'm a mother of two. My daughter is 7.5 years old and my son is 14 months old. In my videos, I talk about my pregnancy, postpartum and my parenting experiences, and I also talk about my postpartum fitness journey. Welcome to my channel, Being Woman with Chavi. In my last video, I spoke about how I set a routine for Arham, who's now 14 months, and how I started setting up a routine for him ever since he was born. A lot of mothers asked me कि early शुरू करना definitely better है because it's easier to put a baby in routine who has no routine rather than putting a baby in routine who has a bad routine. But a lot of mothers asked me कि अगर हम late शुरू करना चाहते हैं तो क्या किया जाए? What if my baby is 6 months old? What if he's 1 year old, 1.5 years old? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can start setting a routine for a slightly older baby. Well begun is half done. I believe एक अच्छी routine set करने के लिए सबसे पहला step है that you start waking up your baby at exactly the same time every single day. And I would prefer if this time is between 6 and 7 in the morning, not 8, not 9, not 10. Why? Because you must have heard early to bed, early to rise makes Jack healthy, wealthy and wise. Or Tom, or Arham, or Ariza, or Vivan, Nivan, Jahan, anybody. Even for grown-ups, I would like to say that rising up with the sun and going to bed with the sunset has innumerable health benefits and long-term health benefits. I'm not going to talk about the health benefits, but my personal advice to every mother is that if you want to set a good routine for your child, please start waking him up between 6 and 7 in the morning every day. Also, अब अच्छी आदत डाल ही रहे हैं तो फिर पूरी तरह अच्छी आदत डालनी चाहिए, right? The second step is to start fixing the meal times. Arham has about 4 meals in a day and his meal times are exactly fixed. So depending on your baby, if your child is eating 4 times a day or 5 times a day, please fix those meal times and keep them the same for every single day. I'll tell you what Arham's meal times are. It's first meal is 7 o'clock in the morning, second is 10:30 in the morning, third is 2 o'clock. Then there is a very small snack at 5 o'clock and dinner at 6:45 every day. The third step is to start fixing the nap times. Now, depending on how old your baby is, if the baby is 6 months or 1 year old or 1.5 years old, the number of naps that a baby will take in the day will differ. Arham was taking 3 naps a day when he was smaller, 6 months old, but now he's taking just 2 naps a day, and by the time he's 1.5 to 2 years old, he's going to take 1 nap a day. So depending on how old your baby is, you decide how many number of naps does he need in a day. Also, for some babies, 1 nap of 2 hours a day is sufficient, while some other babies prefer to take 2 naps of 1 hour each. So you know the number of hours sleeping in a day remains the same, but they divide it up into 2 naps. तो suppose आप अपने बेबी को 3 बजे नैप के लिए डालती हैं or you try to make him sleep at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, then you want to wake him up at 5 o'clock in the evening. Then remember that you do this every single day. 3 o'clock to bed, 5 o'clock off bed. So also scheduling the nap times exactly the same every day. And finally, you put your baby down to sleep, to wind down for the day exactly at the same time every day. For Arham, that time is 7:30 to 7:45 every day. You can decide a time suitable to your needs and to your baby's needs, but make sure that you put him to bed every day at exactly the same time. Now this brings me to my next point. ये सब तो बहुत अच्छा है कि हमने ये रूटीन बना दी है, अब इतने बजे बच्चा खाना खाएगा, इतने बजे बच्चा नैप करेगा, इतने बजे सो जाएगा, उठ जाएगा, but what if the child doesn't still follow this routine? Because ultimately it's a human being, it's not a toy that you just fold it up and keep it in the cupboard. So what are the kind of problems that you're going to face while trying to set a routine for a slightly older child? That's what I'm going to talk about now. The first problem is that there may be crying. There may be crankiness, because if your child is not used to waking up at a certain time, and if the child has not slept well the previous night, obviously he's going to be cranky. So that is the first hurdle that you need to be prepared for. और अगर ऐसा होता है तो आपको करना कुछ नहीं है, just be patient with your child, give him time, give him a few days to adjust to the new routine that you're setting for him. The second problem is that you've set the meal times for the child, but suppose आपने बेबी को बिठाया सुबह 7 बजे खाना खाने के लिए, breakfast खाने के लिए, and the baby didn't eat. Now what do? As a mother, you're really worried that, oh, my baby is hungry now, I need to feed him again. But the next meal time is at 10:30 or 11 o'clock. So my suggestion would be, you let the baby be and only feed him directly at 11 o'clock. Don't break the routine. The child is bound to be hungry at 11 o'clock, and hence everything is going to fall back into place. अब आपने दिन के नैप टाइम्स भी जो है वो रूटीन कर दिए हैं, बट इफ यू टेक योर बेबी टू स्लीप फॉर एग्जाम्पल एट 3 o'clock and you have to wake the baby up at 5 o'clock, what if the baby doesn't sleep till 4? वो खेलने में लगा हुआ है, बिजी है, मस्तियाँ कर रहा है, सो नहीं रहा है, तो क्या करना चाहिए? इसका बहुत सिंपल सोल्यूशन है, आपने सिर्फ अपना वो टाइम फॉलो करना है. यू टेक द बेबी टू बेड एट 3, यू डिम द लाइट्स, stop all conversation, stop playing with the baby and let him be till 5 o'clock. If he wants to sleep, he'll sleep. If he doesn't want to sleep, he won't. But you must wake him up at 5 o'clock if that's the time that you've decided. That's it. Now, normally when you're setting a routine for a child, it's usually 12-hour to 12-hour routine. Yani ki 6 to 6 or 7 to 7 or 8 to 8. Yani ki if you're waking up your baby at 8 a.m., you put the baby down to bed at 8 p.m. So it's as simple as that. Now, let's suppose that you're putting your baby down to sleep at 8 p.m. in the night, but the baby is refusing to sleep. अब इसमें दो सिनारियोज हो सकते हैं. या तो आप को स्लीप करते हैं अपने बेबी के साथ, या फिर आपका बेबी अपने खुद के रूम में अपने कॉट में सोता है या सोती है. बट इफ यू आर को स्लीपिंग विद द बेबी, यू सी दैट द बेबी इज इन अ फुल मूड टू प्ले विद यू एंड ही इज बीइंग नॉटी, टेलिंग यू स्टोरीज डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ ओल्ड ही इज, और जस्ट प्लेइंग गेम्स विद यू. You as a parent have to just ignore all of that, put a patthar on your heart and ignore all of that, because while establishing a good routine, what you're also teaching the child is that when I take you to the room to sleep and put the lights off, playtime is over and sleep time has started. And in sleep time, we don't play. That is just a simple message that you're trying to communicate to the child. So yeah, ignore the jokes, don't fall for it, it's a trap. Just let the baby play. He will eventually learn how to settle down on his own. Now, if your baby is sleeping in his own room, then chances are that the first time you leave the baby in the cot and come out of the room, he will cry. What I used to do in these cases is, I used to just go back to Aram's room, quietly shush him, make him settle down and come out of the room. Give him 2 minutes to settle down, and if he still didn't settle down, go back in. कभी कभी मैं 20-30 बार उसके रूम में जाती थी उसको सेटल करने के लिए, but I used to never give up. And giving up means confusing the child. So I used to never give up and just continue to do what I'm trying to do, and eventually it does settle down. अब ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि बेबी आधी रात को उठ के खड़ा हो जाए या कुछ बोलने लगे या कुछ मांगने लगे. अगर ऐसा होता है, then again it's very simple. You just have to make sure that you don't confuse the baby by going to the room and putting the lights on. Or if the baby is sleeping in your own room, don't put the lights on. Don't start talking to the baby as if it's daytime. Just try to calm the baby down again and come out and go back to your own room. Give him time to settle down. और धीरे धीरे the baby will learn to settle down on his own. One very, very important thing that I want to say here is that whenever you're trying to set a good routine for your child, make up your mind first. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि 2 दिन के बाद आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं यार ये तो वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, लेट मी ट्राई समथिंग एल्स. फिर 2 दिन के बाद आप सोचते हो कि नहीं यार ये तो मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, लेट मी गो बैक टू द ओल्ड वन. सो लेट मी टेल यू दैट फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ रूटीन टू फॉल इनटू प्लेस, और फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ रूटीन टू स्टार्ट सेटलिंग, द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ डेज रिक्वायर्ड इज 3. तो जो भी डिसाइड करते हैं आप, वो 3 दिन तक to the T follow कीजिए. Only then will you get a better idea of whether it's working for your child or not. And if it's not, if you want to try something else, then again you have to give it 3 to 4 days for it to start settling down. Otherwise, the child will be confused, there'll be a lot of crying and crankiness, you will be confused as a parent, and basically both of you will be all over the place, and that is something that we don't want, right? So first make up your mind, then give it 3 days, think it through, give it 3 days to settle down, and I can guarantee you any kind of routine will start settling with the child if you just give it the right amount of time and the right amount of perseverance and persistence. Now once your baby has a very good routine settled, ऐसा भी होता है बीच बीच में जब ये रूटीन थोड़ी सी हिल जाती है. Now it could be because of an illness, it could be because the baby is not feeling well or the baby is teething or there's a growth spurt. So these kind of things keep happening in the middle. But remember कि जितने दिन growth spurt है या जितने दिन baby बीमार है या जितने टाइम उसको teething की वजह से तकलीफ हो रही है, the routine will go a little up and down, but eventually it will settle down to what it was and everything is going to come back to normal. So never lose heart, never lose hope. I hope this video was helpful to you. और अगर कोई ऐसा point है जो मैंने miss कर दिया है, कोई ऐसी problem जो आप face कर रही हैं while setting a routine for your child which I've missed out on, then please let me know in the comments below and I'll try to do a video on that. Or I'll try to leave a reply to your comment and answer your question. I hope you like my videos. Please give me a like. Don't forget to share this video to whoever it is relevant. And please subscribe to Being Woman with Chavi. It's absolutely free. There are no charges. You just have to click on the subscribe button and subscribe. And if you don't want to be disturbed, then don't put the bell notifications on. And if you want to know every time I upload a video, then put the bell icon. Just click on it and put your notifications on. And this is me signing out. Love and peace from me to you.